do?
Look what I found. A magical mystery box. It hides something new every time. Can you guess what's inside?
It's round and red, you toss it high, it bounces up into the sky. What could it be so full of fun? Let's find out on the count of one. Bar! Did you hear that? Let's guess the sound. It goes moo, it's big and round. It lives on farms, it gives us milk. It's black and white and soft like silk. Go! Box opens, cow dances or says move-a-less. The box glows in a triangle shape. 3 straight sides and 3 sharp points. It's shaped like pizza cut in joints. Triangle! A cheesy animated triangle slice pops out and says pizza party! Uh-oh, this one's tricky. What's in there now? It's fluffy, silly, says bye-bye. It's not a pig, it's not a llama. One more surprise, the final round. Can you guess it before it's found? Riddle with countdown from 5, 4, 3. It's fast, it zooms with wheels that spin. You write it down and feel the wind. A bike, but bice. Want more Mr. Frills, Ningleville? Gather in the box inside, celebration song. We guessed the cow, the ball, the sheep. We open boxes that made us leap. Let's play again another day, but for now we shout hooray! Want more mystery fun? Tap the box and see what's inside now.